Okay, in the simulation, we're going to do an auxiliary view. So we're going to start with the orthographic views and interpret what we have for the width, height, and depth, and then generate the auxiliary view as a depth auxiliary view. So that means that we'll have true values for the depth as well as true values for the pocket that is along perpendicular to your incline surface. So what we're going to do is start with a folding plane line. And then generate the corners of our object. So I'm going to place the first point here. For the depth, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. 6 units. And then for the height, we're going to be going from here to this surface. As our projection line here. That's the bottom. So we're just going to be doing the partial auxiliary view, showing exactly what would be touching this folding plane line. So we're going to have a couple of other features that are going to project forward here. We have the base of our object, which is going to be down 2.5 units. And then the corner of our incline, which will be up 1 unit from there. So again, at that midpoint line. So that's going to allow me to generate the outline. So I've got over 1/4 of an inch from each side. In the middle here, it's 1/4 of an inch or 1 unit. And then using my ruler, I'm going to connect the corner point to corner point. Okay, now from here, this is going to be the edge of this feature and this feature, and this one is going to be the edge here. So from there, we're going to go in 1 unit and then down. And that's going to give me the shape of my object on my auxiliary view. Let me double check it for correct width. Correct depth. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're down 2 units on the side, so that gives me a 1/2 inch. I'm down 2.5 units here, which gives me 0.625 for the height. And then so for my extension line here, that's going to be 0.625. For my depth here, that'll be 0.5. And then to the depth here, the opposite direction here is going to be 1/4 of an inch. My thickness here is going to be 1/4 of an inch as well. And the distance here is also 1/4 of an inch.